Hey guys, CryptoMax is here. Today we're gonna talk about DAV ICO. This is a computer network that will ultimately connect self-driving vehicles such as cars, trucks, rovers and drones to everyone on that network, enabling them to discover, communicate and transact using a token. Users can pay for the use of any of those vehicles with a token to get a ride or pick up and deliver a package. People who own those vehicles or the charging stations on the network can earn tokens for the services they provide. Users can have an entire network of self-driving vehicles at their fingertips to bring them anything or to take them anywhere with one token. Even in today's transportation market and during the transitional period, before autonomous transportation reaches mass adoption, the decentralized transportation network and its underlying technology can create a variety of economic opportunities, such as a decentralized, on-demand manned rides and deliveries. One Ethereum is worth 10,000 DAV tokens. Hard cap is $38 million. The project has already raised almost $20 million. Token sale will run from June 11 to June 25. US and Chinese citizens are not allowed to participate in this ICO. The rating on ICO Crunch is 4.5 out of 5. Let's have a look at DAV official video.
DAV is a distributed system on steroids.
It's laying the protocol, the foundation for the transportation industry.
It's a combination of the technologies I care deeply about. So drones, one element, blockchain, another element, and distributed and a trusted ecosystem in a trustless environment.
DAV is an open transportation protocol. It enables us for the first time to create an open source, peer-to-peer global transportation network. This network includes anything and anyone involved in moving people and objects from place to place. Everyone on the DAV network can discover services within the network. For example, riders can discover drivers, and drivers can discover charging stations, and developers can use the open protocol to introduce their unique value to the network in the form of route planning, machine learning, and data sharing. The opportunities this network can create are endless. Looking a bit further down the road, the DAV network is an ideal entry point for the vehicles of the next decade, which are autonomous vehicles, on the ground, in the air, and on the water.
Well, the future is definitely autonomous.
If you have to summarize the future of transportation in one word, it's going to be autonomous.
Being able to do true autonomous operations is what's becoming, the big push nowadays. I can predict that the autonomous world will expand.
I firmly believe not a single entity has all the elements to win. I mean, nobody can eat alone. You have to share the pie.
So companies now have a choice. Instead of creating an entire network, an entire ecosystem from scratch, they can focus on their core product and use the DAV protocol to become a part of an existing network, using completely open standards and without paying any fees.
The whole idea of internet was to break the middleman, right? And DAV, it is to the future of transportation what TCP/IP was to the internet.
So the most exciting thing I see is the ability for DAV to be the key enabler of that Internet of Transport.
The DAV network is expanding as more and more companies join, and the DAV platform is already being integrated into some of their vehicles.
I believe no single technology is going to succeed on its own. It's always going to be some mix of technologies.
Got to have a way for us to be able to interconnect the transportation systems or whatever they may be. And so it's a combination of getting the players who do the best job in each of those pieces to come in and work together.
I invite everyone to join our growing community and take part in the future of transportation.
What is the use of the blockchain in DAV? Blockchain will provide a verifiable ledger of historical data from service providers, manned and autonomous vehicles and users needed for insurers and third parties. It also enables the global payment standard between vehicles and their supporting infrastructure. A built-in smart mission contract will make possible trustless cooperation between multiple vehicles and service providers. Let's take a look on the project's team. Founder Noam Koppel is a senior executive strategist and investor with a strong expertise in blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and encryption. In 2003, he created the world's first smartphone encryption system, distributed in over 50 countries. Noam is an aviation enthusiast and multi-engine rated pilot. CTO and co-founder Tal Ater is a developer and entrepreneur for over 20 years, a published O'Reilly author and invited expert on the W3C Automotive Working Group, and a coder since the age of 8. Experienced in building and leading R&D teams in startups and organizations. Previously R&D Director and VP of Product at Somoto. Core contributor and lead developer of many influential open source projects. DAV also has a huge team of open source contributors. The project got mentions from such reputable media as CoinDesk, Forbes, and the GOB1. I hope this video was useful for you guys. If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SEO reviews. Remember to do your own research and good luck in your investments.